Easy way waistcoat pattern making from original coat pattern. Hello viewer, how you are? I hope everything is well. So today I will show you how to make waistcoat pattern from coat pattern. So here I use only 3 measurement: size L size, front length 27.5 inch, back length 22 inch, shoulder width 15 inch, 5 button at center front. So start waistcoat pattern making from before coat pattern. Length 22.5 inch, half inch seam margin, 23 inch back part, side panel, waistcoat back bottom line, side panel, bottom line, half inch seam margin at bottom hem, shoulder width 15 inch, half 7.5 inch, 3/8 seam margin, 3/4 inch less before pattern for waistcoat pattern making at armhole area. Here 3/4 inch reduce for waistcoat pattern making, armhole side 3/4 smaller than waistcoat original coat pattern. Here is I drawing waistcoat armhole line. Waistcoat pattern make from original coat pattern. Before I make original coat back pattern, coat side panel pattern, front part. Now I make copy for waistcoat from original coat pattern. So like, share and comment on this video, subscribe my channel, click bell icon button for next video. Now here I make front part, same side panel, back part, side seam line, waistcoat side panel, front side panel seam line, 3/4 inch less from before waistcoat pattern. Before coat pattern, here I also reduce 3/4 from front shoulder armhole line for waistcoat pattern making, 3/4. Here I reduce 3/4 inch for waistcoat pattern armhole line making. Waistcoat pattern making tutorial. Please like, share, comment on this video. Front armhole line for waistcoat, front armhole line, shoulder 1/4 inch down. Before pattern, make V-shape shoulder solo line. Here I make waistcoat length 27.5 inch, half inch seam margin 28 inch, center front button standing line, front bottom line, first button 2 inch up, second button, third button, fourth button, fifth button, center front 5 button, 1 2 3 4 5, 2 inch center front V shaped line, 3 inch up center front V shaped line, front bottom line drawing slight curve shape, 2 inch above V neck shaped line from first button, front V neck line shape, V neck line shape. Waistcoat pattern drawing finish. Now I tracing for separate pattern, separate pieces making. Like, share, comment on this video. Thanks for watching. Here I am tracing back part for waistcoat pattern making separate pieces from original coat pattern. Trace by ruler. Like and share, comment on this video. Here tracing side panel for waistcoat pattern, side panel pattern making. Like and share, comment on this video. Green line, we are drawing green line, side panel green line, side panel waist line, side panel middle line, side panel chest line, side panel green line drawing, half inch seam margin. Now here I am matching side panel back side seam, cutting the waistcoat side panel part, waistcoat pattern making from original coat pattern. Now here I tracing front part for waistcoat pattern before I drawing and drafting on original coat pattern. So like, share, comment on this video. Here I am tracing front part for waistcoat pattern from coat pattern before I make. So like, share, comment on this video, subscribe my channel. Waistcoat front part pattern making same as a before I drawing on coat pattern. Like, share, comment on this video, subscribe my channel. Here mark for button line 1 2 3 4 5 button on at center front. The cutting center front part. Like, share, comment on this video. Waistcoat front part center front cutting. Waistcoat front part drafting finish. This pattern make from coat pattern. Trace and make waistcoat some point, rectify and adjusted, make to waistcoat pattern. Front center front 5 button 1 2 3 4 5. Neck V-neck line, center front line 3/4 inch over front overlap, front dart, front pocket, breast pocket, armhole line. Thanks for watching. Like, share, comment on this video. Now internal part making. Now here I make inside raffle pattern drawing. Please a like, please a like, please a like, please a like, please a like. Twins with raffle shoulder width 3 inch, lapel wide 3 inch, raffle width at bottom, hem, raffle line drawing, shell part drawing, raffle seam line, waistcoat inside raffle drawing, marking and cutting. So like, share, comment on this video, subscribe my channel, click bell button icon for next video. How to make waistcoat pattern from coat pattern before I make. So like, share, comment on this video, subscribe my channel, click bell icon button for next video. Thanks for watching. Waistcoat pattern drafting finish and cutting finish from original coat pattern before I make. Please like, share, comment on this video, subscribe my channel, click bell icon button for next video. Thanks for watching waistcoat pattern making. Like, share, comment on this video, subscribe my channel, click bell icon button for next video. Thanks for watching.